It is officially demo day. So to get started, I'm going to remove all of the junk that is just currently in there. So let's do this. So this little compartment is filled with some random things. We have a bunch of keys. Let's figure out which one unlocks it. All right, now that we got everything out of our way, we got a old cot, some rackets, a broom, the kitchen table, some old fishing rods, the stove, the trim pieces that were taken off the back, and all the things that were in the compartments. So I've got my bucket of tools. Let's get this project started. These cabinets and countertops are all in pretty decent shape considering their age. So what I'm going to try to do is disassemble everything and keep it as is and hope that someone can repurpose these countertops and cabinets for their camper. I'm going to measure them, take some pictures, and list these up. I'm not sure why, but they didn't use regular bolt patterns. So I got these little vintage camper bits off the internet. They should fit. Let's find out. Yeah, we should be good to go. Not just be as easy as taking this off. So we have to disassemble all the cabinets. Let's do that. Right now the sink is connected to a water line and it's really stuck on there. I know my husband has the tool for the job, don't know where I'd find it, and he's at work. So we're gonna dig around his garage until we find what we're looking for. hoping this is the right size. No, of course not. Woo! I think we're free. All right, got the sink out. This is when I wish I had a crowbar, but I couldn't find it this morning. So we're gonna see if the hammer does the trick. Note to self, when swinging the hammer you found in a camper from 1958, you will in fact lose the head. That is out. Unfortunately, this countertop has a piece through it. I need a Sawzall, and it's locked up in my husband's work van. So that'll have to wait till he gets home. Now that the lower unit is out, I'm gonna try my best to save the uppers. Didn't work so well with the lowers, but the uppers are in better shape. Hoping they come out a little bit easier. Vintage firework. Should we light it? I'm going to attempt to save the closet door. I feel like to the right person, it's worth something. Also going to try and salvage this cute little heater. And that's probably it for this corner. And then I'll just rip this closet out. I'm tired. I think that's it for today. I am exhausted. So now we're going to move all this into the truck and call it quits for the day. If you happen to be refinishing a vintage camper, I have these beautiful Formica I'm sorry, they're not Formica, they're fiberglass. Woo, heat exhaustion. Fiberglass countertops. Look at that cute paint speckle. I'm sure they'll come back to life with a good cleaning. So we got the sink and the table. We got the vintage heater. The ice box is actually pretty clean. So let me know. I also have the stove. Here is a little update. We got the big cabinet out, everything out. I need my husband to cut whatever metal piece this is attached to on the outside. Same with the electrical box. And then I can rip all this down. The gas lamp, again, was hooked to this little copper pipe I need my husband to cut. But we've made a lot of progress. I'm gonna get all these wood scraps out of here before I tackle the insulation so I can easily bag it up. But instead of running all of this over to the truck, I'm gonna beg him to back it up right here so I can just toss it. And for now, time to hit my beautiful above ground pool.